I'm about to share 5 game-changing things that will completely change how you approach 2026. And wait for number 3. It's the exact opposite of what you're used to hearing, but it's been a huge breakthrough for my clients. So stick around because missing this can cost you big time. I've worked closely with cleaning business owners just like you, from the solo cleaner to small teams, helping them break through their ceilings and build businesses that actually serve their lives. Over the past few years, I've helped my clients move from feeling stuck at $3,000 to $5,000 a month to running more confident, profitable businesses with freedom. That experience has given me the insight into what really will work in 2026. Most cleaning business owners approach growth by working more hours, raising prices, or chasing more clients. They believe that grinding harder is the only way forward. And for a while, that worked, but the game has changed. The old ways are no longer enough. We're entering an era where success isn't about working harder, but working smarter. Designing your business around your desired life, not the other way around. The winners in 2026 won't be the busiest cleaners, but the confident CEOs. For the confident CEOs who build systems, lead teams, prioritize freedom first. This shift is your hidden opportunity. I've identified 5 major shifts that you need to identify right now to position your cleaning business for success in 2026. And I'll break down each one in this video and show you how to apply them today. Number 1, set ambitious revenue goals. Most cleaning business owners set very vague or low targets. Your cleaning business revenue goal should be at least 30% higher than 2025. Think of it like a GPS. You wouldn't start driving your car without knowing where the destination is, right? Break down that big goal into quarterly milestones. Track your progress regularly. Clarity creates momentum, sets a target that most hustling and busy cleaning business owners don't have or don't stick to, and wonder why at the end of the year they didn't hit their goal. Shift 2, know your KPIs. This is key performing indicators. Running your business blindfolded is a recipe for failure. You need to know how many leads you need to bring in to reach your revenue goals. What's your sales conversion rate? Average client value? Customer retention percentage? These numbers are your dashboard. Watch them closely and adjust them fast. And attached to this video is a free checklist to help you ensure that you're auditing your business. On top of that, check the high ticket client playbook. That's going to help you audit your current business now and the exact process and how I train my clients to continue to get repeat high ticket clients. Shift 3, schedule your freedom first. I work with tons of solo cleaners looking to transition into remote and get the freedom they want to be able to do more for their families, with their families, and achieve a life that they generally want. Maybe increase different revenues and have more time to do a hobby. But unfortunately, subscribing to the hustle culture is getting them trapped in their business. This is my favorite shift, and most people won't agree. But schedule your freedom, your days off, your vacations, your personal days, or what I like to call CEO days. These are the days that I take time away from actively working in the business to develop my skills and hone in on areas within myself, mentally, spiritually, physically, to ensure that I'm a better business owner to show up in the business. Your business can only grow as well as you do. But if you're burnt out, overwhelmed, and stressed, building a business that you hope to provide freedom, you'll just be trapped working in a glorified rat race, your own glorified job. Before we reach 2026, design your ideal life and see where your business is aligned to it. Maybe there are certain days in the week that you hire a VA to take calls or do your cold calls or send your emails or do touch base and follow-ups with your clients so that you free up at least 5 to 10 hours of the week so you can be a stronger individual for your business. Shift 4, it's time to do a business audit. Whether you hit your 2025 revenue goals or you're in a place where you know you could have done so much better, this is the time to look back month to month on the wins and loss of your business. Identify what you were doing or what you weren't doing, how your team was operating and how they weren't operating. Identify what processes need to be fixed or automated. What areas do you want to delegate and you do not want to do yourself in 2026? What feedback have you ignored? Have you lived up to the brand awareness, or have you lived up to the mission, the vision of your business that you set up earlier this year? Now, if you are a solo cleaner or a small team that wants to go remote, that means you no longer want to do the cleaning and you want to have a team, successful team that goes out to clean on your behalf, operate the business from home, but you don't know how to relaunch and reboot. You may have not been pricing correctly. You don't know how to operate a team, and you don't know how to sell. Then apply below for the 2026 Head Start, the No Cleaning 90-day reset and revenue relaunch. It's a relaunch system where we work with entrepreneurs who want to transform their business and get it up and running, or they do not do the cleaning anymore, work from home or destination and operate their business professionally and aligned with their desired life. Mind you, we only work with 5 clients at a time. So check if the applications are open at this time. It means that we still have spots available. Shift 5, update your team. This is the perfect time to schedule a team meeting before you end off. This is when you have touch points with your team to ensure that they're in the right headspace to move forward with you, or it's time to get feedback from your team. And your team does include staffing, subcontractors, your VA, and yourself. So if you are still the only person in your team, be real with yourself, conduct a meeting, and do everything that we spoke about in this video, as well as check the playbook down in the description box below to do an audit of your business and what needs to be changed, delegated, automated, systemized, so that you are already working on these things and prepared for 2026 so that you are ahead of the game. Most of our competition are trying to finish the year strong and are lacking in preparing for 2026. Once you know how you want to crush it in 2026, you just start implementing it now, kill it for the end of this year, and already get a head start for 2026. Again, if you want a head start on a business audit to attract high ticket clients, then check out my playbook. It's specifically for solo cleaners who want to increase their revenue by getting high ticket house clients with high revenue and high volume. Check that in the description box below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.